Hi! So we just passed the Bulgarian border and I'm going on a vacation for 6 nights and 7 days. I'm going to be vlogging it all, so you can come along with me on the journey. And so yeah, this is break number 1 out of 2. We're gonna travel all night, and the place we're going is Nesebar in Bulgaria. And yeah, I don't know what else, so I'll talk to you later.
My heart is a ghost town, ghost town.
Good morning, you guys. We just arrived at the first place. The bus is stopping, and then we are going to the place where we're going to stay. I don't know how far it is from here, but this place is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Apparently, I can't English today. Anyways, so yeah, I'm really tired. I didn't sleep, and the seats are not that comfortable. A lot of people got out here, so the bus is pretty much empty, except for the people who are going that way. Yeah, I'll see you later. Hi guys, it's 5 minutes after the last vlog, probably 15, I'm not sure. And so we're waiting here for our person to come and get us so we can go to the apartment. And yeah, it's mad windy here, but it's sunny. Trouble. So yeah, waiting out here. Look at this. Whee! Pretty. Apparently the beach is right. Wait, you can't see it from here, but it's they say it's very close by, so we'll see. Whew. It doesn't feel like a beach day today. Maybe it's just because I didn't sleep, and when you don't sleep, it's colder, I guess. Yeah, there is our bus. That's the one we came with. The bus we came with. So, yeah, I'll see you later when we get in the apartment, probably. So, yeah. Hi! Hi, guys. So, we are in the apartment, so it's not much, you see. It's pretty good. And yeah, I ate and I'm about to go. Wow. So yeah, it's a building on the 4th floor. So yeah. I'll see you at the beach. Hi you guys. The weather is not so beautiful as oh my god, it's cold. So like my mom and I are walking down this way. I don't know if you can see it, but like we're walking down that way, and she's talking to it's a nudist beach. So I'm all of a sudden I'm like, let's turn around to my mom. And yeah, we sat a little bit. Whoops, those are my clothes. Sat a little bit on the beach, and yeah, now we are gonna go, I think, to the apartment. I'm not sure. So yeah, see ya. This smells so good. It's banana. Smells very good. I didn't even know this exists. Fruits, Skittles, Mars, Milky Way, Corona. No, I didn't take 30 minutes of nap. Nope. What are you talking about? I'm kidding. Yeah, I took a nap because I couldn't handle anymore. I was so tired. And since the weather is not so nice, apparently now when I say it's not nice, it starts, the sun's out. Anyways, so I'm going out and I don't know. These are the vibes, like, yeah, like that. So we're gonna go out, and what are we gonna do is walk around the water, see the city a little more, and know a little better. So yeah. Oh yeah. I also forgot to tell you that I have Wi-Fi, so I'll be able to upload the video. Obviously, there you go. So obviously, you already know that. So yeah. Let's go take a walk. Let's go take a walk. See ya in a few minutes.
It's just what you expect. I'm 14 carats. So what you wanna do? Slow down. Believe. Eyes on us. In peace. Oh, I love right now. Give it to me, I'm worth it. If I got locked away, how you kiss, you know. It's more than just your body. Give it to me, I'm worth it. For your good, for your best, we'll be uncovered. Baby, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. We're cool for the summer.
Baby, did I mention my
And if you want, we can bring your friends out.
ignite our love? Looking like a good, good time. Why did you have to go and say goodbye? Alright, alright.
I only call you when it's right. Take me down into your paradise.
Your key is always right there. Let's Marvin Gaye and get it on.
I'm feeling my
You ever be alone? Ever be alone?
cool for the summer. Cool for the summer. Cool for the summer. I've been getting close, close, close. I got the sheets on the floor. Just know you're talking 'cause your lips keep cool for the summer.
She passed me by.
That reminds me of Alice in Wonderland, the bottle with the dragon, you know.
We're beautiful now.
We're cool for the summer. If you need it, then I'ma put it on you.
Don't wanna wait for you.
Don't wanna move it. Don't tell another. Kiss one another. Die for each other.
Oh yeah.
We're cool for the summer.
Yes,
Please,
these guys. Nobody wanna love tonight.
end this vlog here for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you had a great day just as mine and adventurous. The few things I want to add is that, like, when we went out to look around, you know, I was like, oh yeah, let's go buy a book bag. So like we're looking around like in stores and all that. So we go in one store and I'm like, oh yeah, I like this one and I like this one, and my mom's like, what about this one? And she's showing me a bag with cannabis leaves on them, and I'm just like, really, mom? Cannabis leaves? And she just looks at me. And yeah, so make sure you subscribe, click the big thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you tomorrow.
We keep each other company.